You grab the towel, and before you can use it, he's gone. Full speed. Ears back, bouncing off the walls, sliding across the floor, running laps around the house like something important just happened. You're standing there holding a wet towel. He's celebrating something you don't understand. Here's what's actually going on, and it's more interesting than you'd expect. Most owners assume it's simple. He's happy the bath is over. He's excited. He's just being a dog. That's partially true, but scientists gave this behavior an official name. That post-bath sprint has an official name among veterinarians and behaviorists, a frenetic random activity period, or FRAP. Cornell's Veterinary College notes that these bursts show up around many triggers after waking. During play, when an owner comes home, but bathing is one of the most consistent. Not just excitement, a specific, documented release response. And the reason it happens after a bath specifically, that's where it gets interesting. Here's what's happening inside your dog during a bath. Baths can be stressful for many dogs. The combination of water, unfamiliar scents, and the sensation of being handled can leave them feeling uneasy. Even if your dog seems calm in the tub, his body is in a state of heightened arousal, restrained, wet, covered in something that smells nothing like him, unable to move freely. That tension builds, and then the bath ends. Once the bath is over, dogs often experience a sense of relief and release. This sudden shift from tension to freedom can trigger a burst of energy, manifesting as the Zoomies. It's their way of shaking off the stress and reclaiming their comfort zone. That sprint through the house isn't excitement about something new. It's relief about something ending. Think about the last time you were in a stressful situation, you couldn't leave a long meeting, a dentist chair, a difficult conversation, and the moment it ended, your whole body exhaled. His body doesn't exhale quietly. But there's a second reason, and this one goes back thousands of years. In the wild, wet fur could lower comfort and body temperature. Dogs don't enjoy staying wet. Post-bath Zoomies may be their attempt to speed up drying. Running, rubbing against furniture, or rolling on the floor helps spread moisture and fluff their coat. He's not just happy, he's also trying to solve a problem. The fastest way to get dry run. The most efficient way to spread moisture out of thick fur roll on everything in the house. The instinct that kept wild animals from getting cold is the same instinct destroying your couch cushions right now. There's one more layer. The leading explanation borrows from ethology, the formal study of animal behavior. Nico Tinbergen described what's called displacement behavior, when an animal is in a state of built-up arousal and no immediate outlet exists, that energy gets rerouted into a burst of movement. The bath created arousal with no exit. The Zoomies are the exit. One practical thing worth knowing. Ensure your dog has a safe space to run around after their bath. Zoomies on slippery floors can lead to falls. A towel off before the sprint or heading straight to the yard prevents most problems. He's going to Zoom. The only question is where. Outside is better than the hallway. Does your dog get the Zoomies after every bath or only sometimes? Tell me in the comments, because the difference between those two things actually tells you something about how he feels about bath time. Subscribe because every week I explain what your dog is trying to tell you.